Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word sourdough. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I use my sourdough starter to make a delicious loaf of homemade bread. Sourdough refers to a type of bread made with a natural yeast starter, giving it a tangy flavor and chewy texture unique to this traditional baking method. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.